Hello, hello, hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. Welcome for another day of live technical analysis where you can know when to enter, where to place stop loss, and where to put your take profit. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream where you can learn and add to your trading strategy. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe or else Bagdanov will dump on you. Feel free to ask question and suggest coin so we can check it today. Okay. Hello everyone. Hello, ako si Julo. Hello Jeffrey. Hello Ralph Julo Borlaza from our Facebook. Jeffrey Hamtig. Hello. Al Negro. Yo. Lara Ingrid, hello. Edmund Asherda, hi. Arviel, Lara, John Kenneth Velasco, Mia. Hello, John Ezekiel Magnaye, RA. Hello, Angela Purel. Good to see you here. Okay. Yes. AJ Jeronimo Atendido. Hello, Pose. Yes. Thank you for joining us. We are an educational platform, okay? And check our previous live stream so you can add it to your trading strategy. Okay, we will check AVAX and FPM after Bitcoin later, okay? Okay, feel free to suggest your coin so we can add it today. Okay, what do we have here? Let's check some basic technical analysis you must learn. Okay, for basic technical analysis you must learn, let's check the supply and demand zone. Okay, so for supply and demand zone, you need to find where is the demand area and you need to find the supply area. Demand means there are so many people buying there in that price. Supply means there are so many people selling there. Okay, once you touch that zone, it gets sold and drops again. Once it touches there, it gets sold and drops again. Another supply zone touches and then gets sold. Okay? But once it touches the demand area, once you touch it, then it bounces. Once you touch it again, then it bounces. Once it touches, then it bounces. Once it touches again, then it bounces and break the supply zone. Pump hard. And then touch the supply zone, we got sold again. And then the supply zone turned into a demand zone. So we found support here and we bounce again. We're trying to break the supply area and we break through to the upside. And then we turn the supply zone. It became a demand zone again. Okay. Hello, Mai. Hello, Ruby. And then found supply again here. Demand zone. And then bounces again. Bounces again. And then to the upside. Okay. Hello. John Ezekiel, yo. Okay. So for those who are watching, I hope you can learn. Okay? And then you start making money in trading. Okay? Because this is the hardest way to make easy money in the market. Okay? So, above all, learning technical analysis. If you want money in the market, if you want to make millions, hundreds of thousands, this is the way. Okay, there is no other work that can give you millions, only the stock market. Okay, even if you become a mayor in the Metro Manila, you just get at least 300, 100 or 200,000 only. But if you become a day trader, you can make more. Okay, so if you want to make money, huge amount of money, then the only one that can give you that amount of money is trading. So learn technical analysis. Okay? As early as possible. Okay. So, this is the law of supply and demand. Supply up in the higher time frame, in the higher zone, and then demand is in the below. Okay, this is the major demand, this is the major supply. Okay, let me show you something. Another demand zone here. You can see that there is a demand zone once you can see a long wick. It touches and then pumps to the upside. Meaning it touches a demand zone. So many buyers there that once it touched that price, it will pump hard. And as you can see, it did pump hard. Okay, hello, Jeramil. Good to see you. Ariel, yo, yo. Okay. So it touches and then got bounce again here, touches and then bounce again. The supply area, you can also see a huge drop. Once you touch the supply area, there will always be a drop. Okay? And then goes back up and then drops again. Okay? This one here pumps from the demand zone. When you use demand and supply zone in trading, you are trading with the smart money. Okay? You are trading with the smart money, meaning you are trading with the institution. You are trading with the huge capital people. Okay, meaning when you get to learn this one, you will start making money more. Okay, more than learning any other technical analysis indicator, then you need to learn also this one. Okay. Okay, let me show you some diagram here. Like this one, the Wyckoff price cycle, oversold, overbought. Demand is greater than supply. So many buyers than the supply. That's why it pumped. Okay? This is the Wyckoff it's talking about. It pumped. So many buyers here, but not much supply. So many demand, so much demand, but not much supply. So it pumped. And then here, so much supply, no more buyer, so it dropped. Okay, so bargain price. Hello, Jeramil. No wins pa ako now. Yeah. So we must understand also that not every day is a trading day. Okay, sometimes we need to recognize a good time to trade also if there is no clear. But for us here, we always give signal. Okay, because that's our task here as a community. But you as a trader, you need to recognize also the signal. Okay, that's why we sometimes say this is risky trade. Okay, when we mention the risky trade, so that means it's more prone to lose that trade. Okay, because it's not a good entry. That's why it's like that. Okay. Yo, Notify, Chris Cruz, hello. Clyde, Dian, Granada, hello. Okay. So, okay. You can see here, the banks bought here. It went to the supply area. And then it got sold there. And then the banks buy again here. Because the banks will not allow it to drop lower. Because if it drops lower, they will lose money. So they will buy again and then pumps again here. And then it gets sold again in the supply zone. Retest the supply zone, drops again. And then here, all in the banks. And then pumps it. Break the supply zone. And pump to the upside. Okay? It's okay. You just join our Telegram community, okay? And you just ask our T-Scholar welcomer, okay? So you communicate with them how to join our practical group, okay? So basically, you are just transferring your trading fund from other exchange to ULIAN, okay? So if you are trading already in other exchange, you just transfer it, okay? Jo Marie Guerrero, yo, hello. Okay, good to see you all here. Okay, so it pumps again, okay? So take note of that demand and supply zone. Okay, here the flip zone. Demand, pumps, okay, rally, base, rally. Okay, from this rally, then it drops. Now demand zone became a supply zone. It drops. And then because not much demand, no more buyer. All seller here. So it dropped again. And then was tried again to pump. And then hit the supply zone. So many seller here waiting. Please come back the price here. And once it touch again, then it drops harder. Okay? So because there are so much supply waiting there. Okay? Okay. So at least you are already observing what we are doing, okay? And I really hope if I teach you, if I give you a fish, you will always ask for fish. But if I give you the tools to get fish, then you will learn on your own how to fish. And that's the goal of our community, that all of you will learn. Just like Jeramil San Jose, he's also doing already his technical analysis, okay? So with the help of the community, now he is doing it. What technical indicator works for him, he's using it already, okay? So that's our goal, that all of you can start making money. And he's not just one. Aiki, Aquino, so many traders already, okay? Okay. So regarding order block, we are not touching it for now, but we will talk about it later, okay? In the near future, okay? So we will have a lesson about it. Okay, so here, look at this one, trend continuous base, drop base drop, okay? So drop base drop, the base has become supply zone, so drop, and then supply zone, and then drop again. Then you can see a low volume here. Okay, you can see a bigger volume here, breakdown with volume. The low volume base, this consolidation, when it's low volume, it's a consolidation area. So consolidate and then drops again. And then low volume test. It will try to enter again here, touch again the base. Once it touch, another sellout coming. Okay, because it touches the supply zone again. Okay, so as it touches, drops again. So this is drop base drop. How about rally base rally? It looks like this, rally, and then goes consolidation. You can see the volume, and then there will be pump here, breakout with the volume. Always check the breakout. It always follow with the volume, okay? Breakout, and then low volume test. It needs to test again the demand zone. Okay, this is a demand zone so that it can buy again, okay? So the banks who bought here will again buy here. Okay, and then pumps again to the upside. So 2 entries. Yes, cheers, Jeramil, okay? So we are hoping we can continue to share our community to others so they can also start making money. Because you see, without community, if I will just give you signal, Sir Ian will just give you signal, yes, you make money, but most of the time you make money and then you lose money again, and you don't understand why you lost money, and that is not good, right? You are like wasting your money there. So what I'm trying to say is, our desire is you make money and then you know why you made money. That's why we are teaching you this one, okay? We are teaching you this one. So we are hoping that there will come a time that you will be able to continue day trading. Okay, we just assisting you, evaluating your trading strategy and looking at it. Okay, rally, base rally, and then retest, and then enters the bank again here, and then pumps again. Okay, you can always check that in the volume. Okay. So this is the oops, this one, let me show some example. So right here, rally, and then low volume here. Okay, let me hide the okay, look at this one. This pump right here, rally, and then a retest here. Okay, a retest here of the entry. Okay, there is a retest here. We're trying a retest here, and now after retest, we have long wick. We have long wick to the upside. This long wick right here. So that means this is a demand zone here. So if the demand zone holds, then we can expect a rally, base rally. Let me draw it for you. Rally, and then base, and then rally again. Okay, that's what we are expecting with this one. Okay, rally, base, rally, rally, and then retest with the zone of the demand area. You can split your two trades. You can enter here, and then the retest, you can enter here again. You remember I gave you signal right here. The signal I gave you is 42,000 right here. Right here in this area. Okay, let me show the signal. The signal is 42,179 because this is this morning. Okay, I gave you this signal this morning. But yesterday evening, I gave you 42. Okay, I gave you 42,000 signal in the evening because our signal already in the previous day already made profit. So I made 160% from it. And this one right now is still in profit. This one is not yet in profit. But our signal yesterday was in profit. Okay, the 42,000. And that was 50x, 55x. This one is 30x only. Okay, leverage 30x. Because our stop loss is below here. Somewhere below here. 41,400 something. Okay. But this one, the stop loss here is 41,100. So, right here. Okay. Hello. So, that's rally base rally. Okay, and let me show you rally base, and then another retest for the demand area, demand zone, and then pumps again. Okay, if it doesn't hold, then it will break below. Okay, if it doesn't hold this area here, then it goes down. So that means we have a flip, rally, flip. Okay, this is the one that took place. This one, flip zone, demand, and then turn, supply demand, we stayed longer, and then we drop. So either this happens or this happens. Okay, so that's a possibility right there. Okay, so we are still holding, but if this turned into a supply area, then people will start selling and will give up the pump. Then we cannot see more to the upside, but it will start correcting to the downside. Okay, we'll see if the bulls gives up, but I don't think so. Okay, we will check Gala. Okay, we will put it next in line. Hello. Okay, so okay, here Wyckoff market structure. This one, once you only touch the demand zone or the supply zone, just a long wick, that means that zone there is so strong. Okay, after touching it, you get rejected or you bounce if it's from the downside. This one is strong. This one is the strongest. This one is strong. You stayed a little longer. Okay, a little longer, and then drops again. This one, the zone is weak. Stayed, and then still drop. At least it still drop, right? So just like this one here, it's so strong that after touching it, we got rejected. Okay, because this zone here is supply area. Okay, this is supply area right here. That's why after pumping, we touch it, and then we got rejected so fast. We touch it again, we got rejected. All long wicks here. And because we have retested it so many times, it become weaker. Okay, this one the strongest, and then we turn it into a support. We turn it into a demand zone. We have changed, and then pump, break, and then now we have turned it into a demand zone. I hope we hold this again so we can pump hard again to the upside. Okay, so we are holding on. Yes, sir. Hello, Ben, CJ, Diana. Yo, what's up? Okay. Hello to our 21 viewers. Okay, so this is the demand and supply. Okay, drop base rally strategy. After drop base and then rally, it went up again. So it should look like this one. Drop, you have a hammer touching the demand zone. It shows a hammer, then it pumps again. Okay, what example do we get from where is that one? This one right here. After touching, it pumps. After touching, it pumps. Okay, drop, demand area, and then pump. Drop, base rally. Okay. Okay, so that's it for our basic technical analysis you can learn. Okay, right now let's check the news for Bitcoin. Okay, so we gonna keep it faster pace this time, so we can check other coins suggested. Okay, and if there is not much suggestion, we gonna check other coins. Okay, the Ethereum, XRP, Solana. Okay. Okay. Bank of Ireland warns traders of the risk of crypto trading. Okay, what's that? That's the risk. Bank of Ireland warns traders of the risk of crypto trading. The bank against misguided crypto ads. Crypto firms continues to enter Ireland despite warning. The acceptance of crypto trading activities has not been uniform across the world despite mainstream adoption. This is because some countries are still wary of the genuineness of that sector of the financial market. The Bank of Ireland has warned traders against a mammoth of risk. It's too much, right? A mammoth. Mammoth of risk involving with trading digital asset. In addition to that, the bank has also asked that traders shun all crypto ads, citing that they are misleading. Okay, Bank of Ireland. In a notice that was shared on Tuesday, the Bank of Ireland mentioned an integral part of an event organized by several authorities across Europe. The bank mentioned there's so many risks in crypto trading to usual retail traders while giving a little insight into the advertisement. Okay, because if you are not well equipped, well trained in technical analysis, you always lose in trading. Okay, that's why you need to really have a community where you can grow. Okay, if you will do it on your own, yes, you can. But once you get discouraged, who will encourage you? Okay, you think when you lose, you are losing alone. But if you have a community, you see that you all got wrecked. At least you can share your sorrow to others, right? Okay. So, with this in mind, trading usually if you are newbie, you will surely lose. Okay, 10% only succeed in day trading. Retail traders usually gets wrecked. Okay, it's not easy thing to do day trading. Okay, especially if you don't know how to have a risk management. If you don't know how to use risk management, you are like in casino. You will win 10 games. You will win 10 trades. And then just one loss. And then you wipe all your winnings. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? It's a bad thing, right? Because you won 10 games. You won 10 trades, but you lose one and then you wipe out your account. That's why you are not yet a day trader. You are still a gambler with that one. Okay, that's why we need to really do the risk management, and that's what we are teaching also in our community. Always use 2 to 3% of your portfolio. Don't YOLO your account. Okay? If you have little account, then just always use just always use the smallest account, 2 to 3%. If you have $20 only, then why are you going to trade the $20 in one trade? Then you're gonna lose everything in one trade. So trade at the smallest amount, $5. So at least you can trade for trade. Okay, before you count your winnings, you make sure you know how to protect your capital first. Okay? Okay, okay. Hello, hello, hello. Hello to our 12 viewers. Okay. Okay, they are warning. Bitcoin BTC technical indicators give bullish signal that previously preceded 40% strike. Wow. Let me check this bullish signal right here. Okay, we'll see. Hello, Cassandra. Good to see you here. BTC has been moving upwards since January 24 and could be in the initial stages of establishing a fresh bullish structure. Wow. Since May 2021, the 40,500 area has been crucial in determining the BTC price trend. The area has resistance twice red icon. So the area red icon right here, we have broken this one. Okay, the area has not acted as resistance or support as BTC has moved above the low. So we are now breaking this area right here, the 40. Okay, this is bullish. Nevertheless, the fact that the price is trading above this region can be seen as a bullish sign. Bullish BTC fractal. The daily chart provides a mostly bullish outlook. Daily chart is really bullish. Okay, we have ascending triangle, so that's also bullish. Future movement, upward movement continue. The main resistance area would likely be reached between 44,500 to 46,700, and we're gonna make money again. The former is a horizontal level that has rejected BTC 4 times so far. Okay, so we're gonna pump this area right here, and we're gonna have a retest on this 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. We hope to break this area right here. Okay. However, the 2-hour chart shows that BTC has been trading inside an ascending parallel channel. Okay. Since March 7. That channel usually contains corrective movement in its resistance line, rejected the price red icon. Okay, so we got rejection and we are going down into our time frame. Okay. The MACD has generated bearish divergence. Oh, it's already crossing to the negative volume. There's a bearish divergence. The green line, okay, this line here is a bearish. Okay. Florida governor wants to let businesses pay taxes in crypto. Wow. This is bullish news, okay? While everybody's banning crypto, now Florida is allowing taxes to be paid in crypto. How's that? I've told you the state agencies to figure out ways where if a business wants to pay tax in crypto to Florida, we should be willing to accept that. Wow. Digital dollar concern. I think there are a lot of hazard with that. When that's centrally controlled, I worry about the amount of power that give someone in a central authority be able to shut off access. This is okay. So many crypto politicians in pro now for crypto. Ukrainian crypto exchange founder says Binance is supporting Putin. Ukrainian crypto exchange founder says Binance is supporting Putin. Okay, business is business, yes. So they have business doesn't have any politics. Michael Kobanyan, the founder of Ukraine Cryptocurrency Exchange, he claims that Binance has been cooperating with the Russian government to fight the global sanction in some time. Okay. Earlier, Binance announced that it has no plan to unilaterally ban access to platform Russian users. However, it announced that it will take action against those whom sanction has been imposed. Jessica Jung, a Binance spokeswoman, stated, "We prefer not to comment on false accusation. We focus on helping people." That's right. If they have no proof, then that's accusation only. Jung also cited press release about Binance 10 million donation and launch of a crowdfunding site called the Ukraine Emergency Relief Fund. Babaan yan has no evidence. Nevertheless, the Russian market has long been very important to the stock exchange. Okay. So our greed and fear is 31, so we are still in fear. And then our liquidated people is only 98 million. With 98 million, most of it are long position. Wow. So 59% are long position got liquidated. So meaning we have a clear sky to the upside after dropping for correction. We are now ready for the upside. Okay, if you remember, I gave you a long signal yesterday here in 42,000. Even though we are still here, I gave you, for those who want to enter right away, I gave you a risky entry 42,800 and also 42. So I mentioned this is risky, and then another one is 42,000. So I entered in the less risky. So now it's already in profit. Okay. So that's just for our Bitcoin. Okay, and it's already 6:31, and this is brought to you by TradeScholar. Scan the QR code in your left side and you will be redirected in this community right here. Okay, and once you get redirection here in TradeScholar, okay, once you get a redirection here, you'll be welcome, and you can chat welcome scholar. Welcome TradeScholar. You can message them if you want to join the practical group. We give out some forecasts here, okay, for our time frame, 1 day time frame, weekly time frame. Okay, these are the forecast that we give, and then 1 hour time frame, long signals posted on practical group, so you can message welcome TradeScholar or KZ, okay, if you want to join. Okay, and then once you have this one, then you will be redirected in our practical group as you mentioned, as you message them. Okay, and then you get signals here, and we give that specific signals entries. Okay, so that's our community, and you can see they are already doing their own technical analysis. They are checking Sol, they are checking other coins, all good and all profiting, making money. Okay, we are creating a strong trading community. Okay, and how to be part of the practical group? This is the free community. You get daily BTC forecast, live technical analysis, and then the practical group, you get 2 daily signals, 1 in the afternoon, 1 in the evening, and also live technical analysis, daily BTC forecast, subscription. So you just need to open ULIAN account. Okay, so you put deposit at least $100 to $500, and then you can get a learning video, beginner course, and live technical analysis. Okay, and then if once we grow your capital to greater than 500, you get a subscription, daily BTC, live technical, daily signal, and you can even get more signal, one-on-one review, learning videos. Okay, that's for our exclusive. Okay, so that's what will happen as we continue to, they will just ask you to open ULIAN. Okay, ULIAN next.live, and you can get the QR there and get download app your phone. Okay, okay, now let's check Bitcoin. What Bitcoin has for us. Okay, with our, they're still here. Our demand area is right here. Bounce always in this area right here, and then we are now turning the supply area into a demand area. because we have printed a bullish engulfing. Okay, small red, big green. So this one is another bullish pattern right here. Okay, and we are experiencing a resistance area in this level up to 43,500. Okay, this is high volume nodes, HVN, high volume. Okay, so you can have a resistance here, or we can get a rejection area here. And then low volume nodes in this area. You can break past this, and then another rejection area here, 46, 5 up to 48. Once we break that, the next will be right here. Okay, in weekly time frame, we are still bullish. Okay, let's check the awesome oscillator. Our awesome oscillator has printed green volume. Okay, so that means we are bullish already. We are going to the opposite side. Okay, we are showing some change of direction like this one, and hoping like this. Okay, okay. That's BTC for you in the weekly time frame. Daily time frame, as you can see, our awesome oscillator is bullish also, and we have also a bullish engulfing. Okay, so we are expecting this red volume candle here will turn green at the end of the day. Okay, so we have a long wick already. We have touched already this demand area here below. This is the demand area we have touched already. Then we are pumping now, and we might fill this up to here, 43,457. So we might fill this maybe this 10:30 p.m. as the US market open, or later. Okay, so once the volume kicks in, then we can hit this one. Okay. So what do we have here? Daily time frame. This is still a crucial area. Okay, you can see our trend line here is still ascending. Let me draw the line for you. Okay, that's the line right there. Okay, and this is another line right here. We always get rejection here. Okay, we are having an ascending triangle. Okay, we are forming little zones, like little supply area and mini supply area and mini demand area. And right now we have touched this demand area here, the supply area here. Just that's why we drop. Okay, if you look at it this way, this one here is, let me draw a box. This one right here is the supply area. Okay, so every time it touches here, it drops. Okay, with this drop here, drop, retest the base, and then drops again, and then breaks the demand area, and then test the demand area, and then drops again, touching the main. This is the main demand area. So it pumps, touches again, pumps again, breaks out the supply area, retest the another bigger supply area, and then drops, turning the supply into demand, pumps again, and then not holding so many supplier here, so many sellers, drops again, touch. Okay, and then pump. Every time it touches the main demand area, it always pump to the upside, and then get a supply area here, gets rejection again, gets a supply area here, gets rejection, but breakout. Okay, that's what we are looking at right now. Now what we are going to do is we're gonna convert all this supply area into a demand area. Once broken, we're gonna make it as demand area, pumps, and then we're gonna change it at demand area, then pumps, then we're gonna change it as demand area, then pump. Okay, this is the possibility of our, okay, from supply area into change into a demand area. You see this one here. Here, supply zone, then demand zone. So from here, supply, 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 and then went up. Supply turns demand. Supply turns demand. Okay. Supply turns demand. Supply turns demand. So all the supply area, it turned out it became demand. Okay. And look at the chart pattern. Looks the same, right? So that's what I'm trying to say. It looks the same with our chart right here. Supply and then demand. We gonna cross now. Okay. We are already crossing. Okay. 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 So this is for the daily time frame. For our time frame, what do we have in our? Okay, for our time frame. Third, right here. I notice we always get a rejection in this area. We have a okay. We have a supply here. There is a supply area right here. There is a supply area. Okay, the mini supply area. Touch it. That's why whenever we touch it, get a rejection. Touch, drops, touch again, drops. So this is the retest. So there is not much more space for them to hold. The demand area and the supply area is so close. That's why you can see there is a consolidation, okay? We are now waiting for the massive move. Let's pull out the BPVR. Okay, so we see where it is going. Oh, we are already pumping to the upside. We are done with the constriction part, constriction stage. Okay, constrict, start pumping now. Okay, it's moving now to the upside. Okay, so I think we're gonna pump more to the upside. Okay, holding on. It's okay. BPV. This is for our time frame, and we are looking for this. Look at it in 15 minutes. Here, see here, the retest area. Okay, see here, drop, base. Okay, this is the base. Let me drop, base, drop, base, drop, base, drop, find support, demand, find support. We're gonna find support and then we're gonna retest here. If we get rejected, we're gonna bounce again here and then continue. Okay, and then okay. As of now, we are getting rejection here. Okay, what we are looking at right now. Hello, bro. Good evening, Magic Chess, Danza Mudio. Oh. Yes. Supply and demand, you can check it. You can check it to other time frame. Hello, Angelo, Carmelo in Facebook. Hello, Ram Miranda. Good to see you here. Negro, Mary Madeleine, Melody. Okay, Sam. Good to see you here. B, hello. Okay, so drop, base, drop. Later, having. Let's check 1 hour time frame. Our 1 hour time frame, we are now consolidating in this area, meaning there is a zone right here. Okay, we can feel a zone right here because we always get rejection. After the drop, we touch the zone and we are dropping again. We are hoping to break it. Okay, 1 hour time frame printed green volume already, so I hope we can continue to the upside. Okay. Okay. Here, drop base up. Okay. So I'll be giving you the signal in the practical group, okay? Whatever the signal we can see at the moment, we will give you at the practical group, okay? Okay. I don't think what we can see here. Okay, we'll check the other coins now. Let's check the suggested coin. What are the suggested coin? Let me check. AVX, AVAX, and FTM. Okay, let's check. AVAX for you. And we can find a base in zone. Base bounce in this area. Okay. They're always bouncing. This pump right here. Okay, this pump right here. Pump. Touches the base again. Pumps again. Touches again. Touches again. So we have touched and now we are pumping. So if you want a good entry, you can enter here. In this base 83. You are in 84. Okay, because once you check in the weekly time frame, are way below. Okay, with this one you are below, then you can still have already to the upside. I think there is already a breakout from. Okay, so we are almost in the breakout, and if this breaks, we have breakout already. Trying to break here. It has a long wick, but as you can see, there is a strong supply area here. Okay, we always get a rejection. Supply area right here. Okay, that's why we always get a rejection. Okay, so once we turn this supply area, okay, we drop from the supply area. This one is base and then drop, and then we turn supply and now we drop. Now the supply is too much. I think this supply right here, this is November 2021. Okay, so many was hopium. Okay, so those who did not sell here are now selling here. Okay, so I think they are selling. Those who are in long position still taking this area right here. This is double bottom weekly time frame, and that is super bullish. Okay. Okay, we'll see the next printing. Okay, we're gonna continue the next for our time. For our time frame, we have formed double top. The good thing is we have the support here. Even though this is double top, we are still holding on. Okay, and we'll see if we're gonna break and we're gonna continue to the upside. Okay. Okay, you pull out some Fibonacci line from swing low and swing high, swing low, and swing high. So right now we are in 0.584.6. Next support is right here, 82.66. You can buy long position. Okay. Strong demand zone. Okay, we always pump touching this one. Okay, okay. Take profit area 1. Entry. You can enter here if you want to enter here. Okay, this is a good entry, 0.5 because we have broken this. 84.56 is also a good entry, okay? Then another good entry if it drops. But I think it's already a good end. I might give this signal. I might. See, we'll see. Because we have a trend line support here. We are already in the breakout in the forward line. Okay. FTM. This is FTM. Time frame. They're already below. This is already the bottom. There is no other way but up. That is the case. You better open long position here. Okay, you are in the demand zone. So you better open position here. And then you can pump to the upside. Okay. You have been in negative for 1 year, negative 53. So we just have a positive wick. I think it's gonna start now. If you are planning FTM, then this is a good. This is Phantom, right? I think Phantom just got a bad news. FTM is Phantom, right? Phantom coin. So if it's Phantom, it has a bad news. Fundamental analysis, it has bad news. Some of its founder left the company. So I think it affected their performance. That's why it dropped from. Even though Bitcoin is going up, it hasn't have hard time breaking the upside. March 7, February 28, and the February 7, they're all dropping instead of going up. They did not follow Bitcoin because of the fundamental analysis. But they got a bad news, okay? But the Phantom CEO confirmed that all projects still continue. Okay, it's still continuing even though some of their developers left. They can still continue. They have other people already at the position. So I hope that will pacify the damage of the leaders that left the company. Okay, okay, so that's FTM. Okay. From FTM, what else do we have? FTM. Hey, what else? Anything interested? Gala. Okay, let's check Gala. This is the last point. Gala. This is a gaming coin. Okay. Already at the bottom also. We found a demand zone here. Demand zone. You can see a demand zone here. We pump here. So I think we are already at the bottom and we have a breakout in the trend line. Okay, we have a breakout already. This should be a pump starting from this price here. Okay. So if you trade this, stop loss is right here. Oh, this is still negative 45 because this is weekly time frame. That's a lot of drop, right? Okay. You can go back here, entry. Then you can have a stop loss right here. You are already here. You enter this. Stop loss is just below here. Still negative 15%. So you can leverage it. So you can only have 5x leverage. Okay, you can open long position for FTM, for Gala, and then your stop loss is 0.20776. You get 5x leverage, and then you can ride it to the top, to the moon. Okay, so and you hope that you will not hit your stop loss. It will not touch up to here only. This last long week here, because if it touches, then you get top out again with your stop loss. But this is also already a good play, okay? Take a screenshot and play this one. Gala. Swing low, swing high. Let me low, swing high here. We are at the moment in the resistance area, 0.68. If you want to enter, you can enter here. The 0.2465, and then your stop loss is below here. Okay, all good, all good. Okay, I think this is all for today for our live technical analysis. For those who are in our TikTok community, make sure you join us. Okay, this is our YouTube channel, Scholar Trade. So join us so you can also comment 20 USDT right now. Join now so you can enter our raffle, okay? So I'll be waiting for you here, and you just inform us that you are from TikTok. Raffle generator. Raffle. First si Julo, ah. Ako si Julo first. Si Julo. Tal. Jeff, if you are still here, you can comment present. Jeffrey. Ampik. L. Kenneth. RA and AJ Geronimo Atendido, you can join a raffle, okay? Hi, Lian Granada, you can comment USDT. You can others are really busy asking question, they forget already to join a raffle. I hope you're still here so you can join a raffle, okay? Shiba. Okay, I'll just finish all the entry. Ali. AJ, Hero, Emo. I think all comments are here, so let me just check for the last time the sheep is bullish because they have burned demand zone. They have touched the demand zone and we are starting to pump in weekly time frame. This is a buy zone right here. Hope to take this area soon. They're still right here and 920. Okay. Our time. Swing low and swing. Currently sitting in the support area 357. This is a rejection area here. A zone, supply zone here. We always rejection. We'll see we can break this one, okay, and we'll turn it a hand area. Okay, as oscillator is bearish. Check more. Action. We might find support here 2232. Go down again in our demand area here. Okay, after touching and bounce. Okay. Thank you for joining our live for tonight. All the best, everyone. Stay safe, trade safer. Take care. Bye bye. Cheers. All the best. Let's make some money.